chakra, the third eye. While focusing on Agna chakra, we chant the mantra Om all together. Inhale. सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्युषावहै ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः Slowly move your fingers and rub your palms each together. Relax your eyes and gently open your eyes. Okay. Because the camera fell down. Okay, I will manage. You can go sit down. I will do that. I will do that. Okay. Please stand on the mat for sun salutation. Please. I will do that. So let us practice Surya Namaskara 12 rounds. 6 rounds dynamically with the Bija mantra. Bring your palms in front of your chest and Anjali Mudra and eyes closed. And visualize a beautiful sun in front of your closed eyes. While looking at this sun, we chant the mantra. Om Hiranmayenam Patrenam Satyasya Bihidam Mukham Tattvam Pushannam Pavrano Satya Dharmaya Drishtaye Om. Slowly open your eyes. One, Om Ram. I see that now. Om Hrim. Two. Three, Om Hrum. Four, Om Hrim. Five, Om Hom. Six, Om Raha. Om Ram. Om Hrim. Om Hrum. Om Hrim. Om Hrom. Om Raha. Left side, Om Ram. Om Hrim. Om Hrum. Om Hrim. Om Hrom. Om Raha. Om Ram. Om Hrim. Om Hrum. Om Hrim. Om Hrom. Om Raha. Take few normal breathing. After complete every round, relax your hands and breathe normally 3 times. Before going to the next round, make sure you are relaxed. The second round, Om Ram, Om Hrim, Om Hrum, Om Hrim, Om Hrom, Om Raha, Om Ram, Om Hrim, Om Hrum, Om Hrim, Om Hrom, Om Raha. Now left leg, Om Ram, Om Hrim, Om Hrum, Om Hrim, Om Hrom, Om Raha. Om Ram, Om Hrim, Om Hrum, Om Hrim, Om Hrom, Om Raha. Relax. Third round, Om Ram, Om Hrim, Om Hrum, Om Hrim, Om Hrom, Om Raha. Om Ram, Om Hrim, Om Hrum, Om Hrim, Om Hrom, Om Haha. Left, Om Ham. Om Hrim, Om Hrom, Om Hrem, Om Hrom, Om Haha. Om Ham, Om Hrim, Om Hrom, Om Hrem, Om Hrom, Om Haha. Relax, normal breathing. Fourth round. Om Ram, Om Hrim, Om Hru, Om Hrem, Om Hrom, Om Haha. Om Ram, Om Hrim, Om Hru, Om Hrem, Om Hrom, Om Haha. Left, Om Ram, Om Hrim, Om Hru, Om Hrem, Om Hrom, Om Haha. Om Ram, Om Hrim, Om Hru, Om Hrem, Om Hrom, Om Haha. Relax. Relax your hand, eyes closed, and take consciously deep breath. Calm, deep breath. Pick up. Om Ram, Om Hrim, Om Hru, Om Hrem, Om Hrom, Om Haha. Om Ram, Om Hrim, Om Hru, Om Hrem, Om Hrom, Om Haha. Left side. Om Ram, Om Hrim, Om Hru, Om Hrem, Om Hrom, Om Haha. Om Ram, Om Hrim, Om Hru, Om Hrem, Om Hrom, Om Haha. Relax, now we'll breathe. Sixth round. Om Ram, Om Hrim, Om Hru, Om Hrem, Om Hrom, Om Haha. Om Ram, Om Hrim, Om Hru, Om Hrem, Om Hrom, Om Haha. Left, Om Ram, Om Hrim, Om Hru, Om Hrem, Om Hrom, Om Haha. Om Ram, Om Hrim, Om Hru, Om Hrem, Om Hrom, Om Haha. Relax, normal breathe. Actually, sixth round, we practice with Surya Namaskara mantra, a long mantra. So make your practice slowly and deepen every posture. You can make it posture a little more advanced. For example, when you do this Ashwasanjara Asana, instead of this, you slowly slightly move your hand back and look up more. Keep your fingers slowly move backward. Okay. One. Om Vishwaya Namaha. Om Yave Namaha. Om Suryaya Namaha. Om Dhanave Namaha. On this posture, slowly touch your finger on the side of your knee and extend your spine. Little more open your chest and throat. Okay, just touch your fingertip. Just touch your fingertips. Fingertip. Just touch two fingers on the floor. Good. Next, Om Kathaya Namaha. Om Pushanaya Namaha. Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. Om Marichaye Namaha. Om Adityaaya Namaha. Om Savitre Namaha. Om Arkhaya Namaha. Om Bhaskaraya Namaha. Now left leg. Om Mitraya Namaha. Om Rave Namaha. Om Suryaya Namaha. Om Bhanave Namaha. Open your chest, open your throat. Om Kaghaya Namaha. Om Pushne Namaha. Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. Om Mariche Namaha. Om Adityaya Namaha. Om Savitre Namaha. Om Arkhaya Namaha. Om Bhaskaraya Namaha. Breathe normally 3 times. Seven, 8 one. Om Mitraya Namaha. Om Ravaye Namaha. Om Suryaya Namaha. Om Bhanave Namaha. Om Kaghaya Namaha. Om Pushane Namaha. Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. Om Mariche Namaha. Om Adityaya Namaha. Om Savitre Namaha. Om Arkhaya Namaha. Om Bhaskaraya Namaha. Left side. Mitraya Namaha. Om Rave Namaha. Om Suryaya Namaha. Om Bhanave Namaha. Om Kaghaya Namaha. Om Pushne Namaha. Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. Om Mariche Namaha. Om Adityaya Namaha. Om Savitre Namaha. Om Arkhaya Namaha. Om Bhaskaraya Namaha. Visramri, breathe normally. Count 1, 2, 3. Now 9th round. Om Mitraya Namaha. Om Ravaye Namaha. Om Suryaya Namaha. Om Bhanave Namaha. Om Kaghaya Namaha. Om Pushane Namaha. Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. Om Mariche Namaha. Om Adityaya Namaha. Om Savitre Namaha. Om Arkhaya Namaha. Om Bhaskaraya Namaha. Left leg. Om Mitraya Namaha. Om Ravaye Namaha. Om Suryaya Namaha. Om Bhanave Namaha. Om Kaghaya Namaha. Om Pushne Namaha. Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. Om Mariche Namaha. Om Adityaya Namaha. Om Savitre Namaha. Om Arkhaya Namaha. Om Bhaskaraya Namaha. Visramdi, breathe normally. It's going to do last 3 rounds. This time you make it your posture much more deepen. As much you can bend back, as much bend your back nicely. Every time bend forward as much you can. And the Ashwasanchalanasana also make it more open. Okay?
We can't see you, sir.
Every posture you make it more deepen. Okay, you know every posture is you can make it. So this camera not working. You can hold it. Good. So when you bend backward, you separate your feet. Okay, feet separate. Now closer. Separate your feet. Separate your feet. Strong leg and and you bend. Inhale and bend as much you can. Okay, not only hands. Bend back. Bend forward as much you can. And right leg back. And Ashwasandha last one also. Open. More open. So you keep your legs little separate. Ready? And 10th round. Om Vishwaya Namaha. Om Devaya Namaha. Om Suryaya Namaha. Om Bhanave Namaha. Open your chest, open your throat. Bend your spinal. Good. Om Kakhaya Namaha. Touch your head down to the floor. Om Pushane Namaha. Hold the breath. Inhale. Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. Good. Om Mariche Namaha. Om Adityaya Namaha. Om Savitre Namaha. Separate your feet. Om Arkhaya Namaha. Om Bhaskaraya Namaha. Now left leg. Om Mitraya Namaha. Om Rave Namaha. Om Suryaya Namaha. Om Bhanave Namaha. Open. Om Kakhaya Namaha. Om Pushne Namaha. Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. Om Mariche Namaha. Om Adityaya Namaha. Om Savitre Namaha. Om Arghaya Namaha. Om Bhaskaraya Namaha. Visramdi, breathe normally. Eleven. Om Mitraya Namaha. Om Rave Namaha. Om Suryaya Namaha. Om Bhanave Namaha. Om Kakhaya Namaha. Om Pushane Namaha. Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. Om Mariche Namaha. Om Adityaya Namaha. Om Savitre Namaha. Om Arkhaya Namaha. Om Bhaskaraya Namaha. Om Mitraya Namaha. Om Rave Namaha. Om Suryaya Namaha. Om Bhanave Namaha. Om Kakhaya Namaha. Om Pushane Namaha. Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. Om Mariche Namaha. Om Adityaya Namaha. Om Savitre Namaha. Om Arkhaya Namaha. Om Bhaskaraya Namaha. Visramdi, breathe normally. Now 12th round, last round. So make it slow and deep. Om Mitraya Namaha. Om Rave Namaha. Om Suryaya Namaha. Om Bhanave Namaha. Om Kakhaya Namaha. Om Pushane Namaha. Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. Om Mariche Namaha. Om Adityaya Namaha. Om Savitre Namaha. Om Arkhaya Namaha. Om Bhaskaraya Namaha. Om Mitraya Namaha. Om Rave Namaha. Om Suryaya Namaha. Om Bhanave Namaha. Om Kakhaya Namaha. Om Kushane Namaha. Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. Om Mariche Namaha. Om Adityaya Namaha. Om Savitre Namaha. Om Arkhaya Namaha. Om Bhaskaraya. Vishrandi, slowly lie down Shavasana. Observe the changes and effect after the practice of sun salutation. Keep your eyes closed. Separate your feet and your palms beside your body, palm facing up. Completely surrender your whole body to the floor. And move your mind through different parts of your body quickly according to my instruction. You don't need to move your body parts, just move your mind one part to another part. Just move your consciousness to different parts of your body, from your toes. When I say your toes, you mentally visualize your toes, feel your toes, and relax your toes mentally. Your toes, feet, heels, ankles, shin bones, calf muscles, knees, thighs, hip joints, buttocks muscles, waist, lower back, middle back, upper back, the whole spinal, shoulder blades, fingers, palms, wrist, forearms, elbows, upper arms, armpits. Now relax your abdomen, chest, throat. Relax your chin, cheek muscles, ears, lips, nose, bridge of the nose, right nostril, left nostril, eyes, eyebrows, eyebrow center, forehead, right side of the head, left side of the head, back of the head, top of the head, the whole body, the whole body, the whole body. For more relaxation for your entire body, let us chant Akara, Ukara, Makara in a single breath. You have to take a deep yogic breath. So inhale your abdomen, chest, and your throat. Open your mouth. Okay. Now slowly you can move your fingers, toes, move your head side to side. Slowly and gently sit up in a meditation posture. Today asana is called Kaundinyasana. It's also one of the balancing asana, balancing on your arms. At the same time, it will give a nice, deep, intense stretch on your hamstring, like when you do the monkey pose, when you do the Hanuman asana, the same stretching, it will give in the same structure when you do Kaundinyasana. So before Kaundinyasana, you must have a good flexibility on your hamstring muscle. So you need to work on that hamstring like Hanumanasana or Ashwasanjalanasana. So this all the practice help you to improve the flexibility from your hamstring. And also the Parshottanasana is all very good for good preparation for Kaundinyasana. Kaundinyasana, it's advanced asana. There are many variations of these asanas. Today we're going to do Kaundinyasana 1. There is Kaundinyasana, Vibrida Kaundinyasana, like you do Parivarta Trikonasana or Parivarta Parshagonasana. You know, we have two type of Trikonasana. One is normal Trikonasana and Parivarta Trikonasana, right? And we have normal Parshagonasana and Parivarta Parshagonasana. We have Janu Shirshasana, also we have Parivarta Janu Shirshasana. Parivarta means twisting your spine. Like the same way, Kaundinyasana also have Parivarta. Parivarta means you're twisting, like instead of your right leg, you put the left leg on your right arm. So here we're going to do keep your right leg on right arm. When you do Parivarta, we do opposite, left leg on right hand. Okay. And also there is another variation called Dipada, with two legs, both legs on one hand. So first we're going to learn Ekapada, is one leg on your elbow. It's mainly you balance on your elbow, one leg, and your whole body balance like a Dandasana, like a stick, straight level, like a stick. Okay. So before this practice, we have to do some preparations. Cannot go directly to this posture. We must have a flexibility for your hamstring. Otherwise, there is a chance to get injury, tearing the muscles, or maybe the muscle spasm, all the things come. So mainly the tear the muscles is a big problem. So you have to do warm-ups before that. Cannot do on cold muscles. So you have to do sun salutation is good enough warm-up, but apart from that, you have to do some other postures. And this one is excellent practice for strengthening your arms, and also good practice for your core muscles also. So you must have a very good abdomen muscle strength also. So for abdomen strength muscle, you can do Navasana, the boat pose. The arm strength, you can do Dandasana. And the hamstring flexibility, hip opening, you can do monkey pose, like Hanumanasana, Ashwasanjalanasana, this or Parshottanasana. Okay, so we're going to do this all the asanas one by one now. Then we gradually go to the Kaundinyasana. Okay. Yeah. So Kaundinyasana, you can see the first posture like Ashwasanjalanasana, also it's called launch. Then, and second, you slowly put the hand inside your leg and keep your palm slowly outside the foot. and your upper leg, like your your thigh, come on your upper arm, on your elbow. And gradually, after this posture, gradually lean forward and lift your back leg slowly up. And always keep your toes spread and pointed backward. Okay. So first we do Navasana, sit down and move. So Navasana practice like this. We can look at this another camera. So Navasana, this is full Navasana. Okay. Good. Then go to half Navasana. Lift it down. Hands down. Good. And slowly, slowly go down, 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 down. Head down. And lay down. Okay. And next inhale, come up again Navasana, full Navasana, inhale. Full Navasana, inhale. From here, slowly come to halfway, exhale. Hold on. Slowly go down, 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 relax. So repeat this for 5 times, okay? Inhale, up. Good. Now exhale, slowly, 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 go down. Good. Continue like this 4 times more. Inhale and hold the breath. And exhale, slowly, slowly come to halfway and slowly, slowly down, 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 and relax. Take a breath in between every round. Take inhale, exhale normally. Then again, next deep inhale, lift up to full board. Hold the breath. And slowly kind of gradually down, exhale, little exhale down, hold it. The next exhale, down. Okay. 5 more times, please. Practice. Inhale, hold the breath, and slowly exhale it down. Hold. Then exhale down. Complete exhale down. Take a breath. Next inhale, again up. Hold the breath. Exhale, half down, half down. Then again, complete exhale, full down. Good. Continue like this 3 more times. Inhale, up, 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 full board pose, up. Hold the breath. Exhale, half down, half. And exhale, complete down. 2 more times. Inhale, up. Hold.
Sir, I have a doubt. Normally, when we are bending, we exhale. And when we are straightening, so is it not reverse of that?
In Navasana, you need an inhale to come up. The inhale is the power. Inhale, you get strength to up to your posture, full up. And exhale is slowly relax.
But at the same time, we are bending our stomach. So, in our yoga, whenever we bend, we exhale, isn't it?
No bending, just inhale, hold, and tight your abdomen. Okay, tight your abdomen. And exhale slowly down. Not here, this is not bending practice. Why we inhale in Navasana? Inhale is the strength. With inhale only you can rise up. With exhale, you don't have that power to up. Exhale, you cannot up. Inhale, up. Okay. Continue. One more time. Inhale, hold, and exhale. Slowly, slowly relax. Halfway, and again down. Continue one more time. Inhale, up, hold, exhale, half down, then complete down, exhale. Okay, relax. Slowly sit down. Now you take your left back to downward dog. Exhale. Everybody come to downward facing dog. Let's go for Purvadasana. Exhale. Good. And here slowly you go to Dandasana. Inhale, straight your spine. Make your body look like a stick. Make your body like a stick. Straight line. Reach your buttocks a little out. Wow. Shoulder, round your shoulder. Don't make it touch here. Make it round, round. Go exhale, downward dog. Exhale. Repeat like this. After inhale, come to the stick pose. So your hand should be straight level of your shoulder. It's not that. You need to move your hand forward. Exhale. Inhale, come to the Dandasana. Exhale. Repeat this 3 more times. Inhale, exhale. So exhale, Purvadasana or Adho Mukha Svanasana. Inhale, stick pose. And exhale, downward dog. Okay. After the exhale, you take your right leg slowly between your palms. Right leg in between your palms. And keep your both hands on your knee and slowly bend your right leg into it. And stay here. You can extend your hand up, inhale. And exhale, you straight your front leg and slowly hands down. And inhale again, bend your knee and rise your hand up. Exhale, straight your right leg, slowly hands down and touch your forehead on your knee. Exhale. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, slowly come to the half Hanumanasana. Touch your knee to your head. Repeat 5 times this. Inhale. Anmol, keep your back knee on the floor. Don't lift your back knee now. Exhale. Your left knee on the floor. Inhale. Exhale. Okay, continue. Inhale. 3 more times. Exhale. Good. Two more. Inhale. Exhale. Very good. One more. Inhale. Exhale. Now this one you can do with the back leg straight. Straight your back knee like this. Now inhale, you come up to the warrior. Inhale. So this time your back knee straight. Your toes up, your heels up, your back heel up. And exhale, you straight your leg, Parsvottanasana, slowly. Inhale, bend your front leg. Exhale, straight your front leg. Okay. Repeat this one also 5 times. Inhale, slowly. Come to. You can bend your knee. Inhale, bend your right knee a little bit. Exhale, straight, bend forward. Straight your spine, bend forward. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Very good. Continue this 3 more times. Inhale. Exhale. 2 more rounds. Inhale. Exhale. 1 more time. Inhale. Exhale. This time, take your right leg back. Slowly. Keep your left foot in between your palms. Again. Good. Now slowly come up to the lunge. Inhale. On your knee bend. Back knee, right knee bend. Exhale, straight your left knee. Repeat this 5 times. Inhale, your knee bend. Exhale, knee straight. Okay, straight your knee. Repeat 4 more times. Inhale, bend your knees. Exhale, straight your left knee. 3 more times. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Good. Now straight your back leg, back knee straight. Inhale, come up to the warrior like Virabhadrasana. And exhale, Parsvottanasana. Straight. Inhale, bend your left knee. Exhale. Repeat this also 5 times. Inhale, Virabhadrasana. Exhale, Parsvottanasana. Good. Inhale, Virabhadrasana. Exhale, Parsvottanasana. Good. 2 more. Inhale. Exhale. 2 more. Inhale. Exhale. Last one. Inhale. And exhale. Go to downward facing dog. Now bend your knees, friends. Okay, down. This time you take your leg little outside of the mat, and keep your hand inside. Like this way. Do that. This also would help to open. First, you slowly bend your elbows and relax your head down. So keep your both hands inside. So here you keep your both palms straight level of your.
So the left knee is on the ground or off the ground?
On the ground.
Okay.
Now you can see on the camera, you keep your palms straight level of your foot. Okay. So make sure your feet palms in a straight level. And back leg stretch back as much as you can. Back leg as much stretch backward. So your palms and your feet in a straight line. After this practice, you slowly keep your palms outside the foot, and come on your palm like this. So you feel the weight on your upper arm, right? And you can lift your back knee up slowly. You understand? Now you keep your hand to inside and keep outside the feet. Then you feel the weight, your leg weight on your upper arm. And lift your back knee. Lift your back knee up. And look forward. Don't look down, look straight forward. This is the second posture. So you can see another camera. Your palm outside the foot. Here. And you still your palm, your feet, another palm in a straight line. Straight line. And head up. Look forward. And you feel the weight, your leg weight on your arm. Feel the leg weight on your arm. So this is the second posture. Look forward. So everybody got this? Everybody please come to this posture. And keep your, Santosh, keep your back knee up. Good. Very good. And do you feel the weight on your hand? Your right hand? Okay. Slowly lift your right leg up. Come to the same posture. Yeah. Now you keep your hand inside. Okay. Now start to lift your leg, lift it up. And you can bend your knee, lift it outside, and lift it up. Gradually give weight on your hand. Gradually. Okay. Stay here. And don't touch your heel on the floor. Keep your heel up. Like this. Slowly take out your right foot Balance on the upper hand. And gradually you lean, in this posture you lean forward and actually your back leg slowly lift up. The back leg slowly lift up. From this posture, you slowly lean forward and all the weight come on your hand and gradually your back foot come on the tip of your toes and gradually try to lift your back leg little bit up. Okay. So this one, you wrist, you need to be careful, and your shoulder joint also. So you go step by step. Come to the first posture, I will show you. Only you can hold that. You can see the screen. Sit down there. Sit down. Sit down. Okay, just sit down the chair. And you look at the screen. So the first pose, keep your foot outside your palm, outside the mat. Gradually bend your elbows. This helps you open your hamstring muscle. Then second step, you slowly put your hand outside. Come on. The third step is lift your back leg up. Gradually take this leg out, straight, like this. Then the last step, lean forward, lift your back leg slowly up. Like this, you come step by step. Okay? Yeah, is it clear? Good. I'm going to practice another side slowly. Keep your left leg. Now practice another side, your left leg. Left foot outside the palm. Slowly bend your elbows. Relax your head and feel the stretching on your left hamstring. Back leg straight more. Very good. Now slowly put your left palm through inside and outside. Keep outside the foot. So make sure your both palms and your foot in a straight line. Rise your elbow up. Rise your elbows up. Good. Now lift your back knee up. Back knee up. Back knee up. And gradually your left foot up, head straight, look forward, good. Foot up and try to straight your knee slowly, as much you can, straight your knee. Lean forward and more weight on your hand, slowly back toes, tip of the toes on the floor, tip of the toe. Lean forward and gradually lift your back leg up. Okay, so you have to practice every day the three posture: Ashwasanjalanasana, Ardha Hanumanasana, then Parshvottanasana. You know Parshvottanasana, the Virabhadrasana and Parshvottanasana. Then Dandasana, then Navasana. Navasana, Dandasana, Ashwasanjalan, Parshvottanasana, Then you try this posture. 5. Good. Excellent. Do again. First one, yes. Step by step. Hand inside. Up. Head up, head up. Look forward. Head up, yes. Back leg stretch backward. Straight your knee, straight your right knee. Right knee straight. Okay. So you need to straight your right knee, you need a lot of flexibility. That's why you have to do the Hanumanasana every day. Okay.
So you were telling that you will tell us the routine of yogas which we can do along with the Surya Namaskar so that we improve on all the asanas. Whatever you tell, can you tell them in a sequence so that we can follow a daily routine sequence? A sequence of asana for a daily routine.
Yes, yes. Surya Namaskara you have to do. I want you to do every day Surya Namaskara. I want to make sure
That
you
is
do
there.
Surya
That
Namaskara.
is there. After that, which are the asanas we should do in the series so that we are good in all of these which you are telling?
You want to
Can you
skip
make
the
a
Surya
recipe?
Namaskara you do earlier before the class begin? You mean?
No. My point is to improve in all the asanas.
Ah.
Can you tell us the recipe or sequence of asana along with the Surya Namaskar so that we improve all the asanas?
Yeah. Not along with the Surya. After Surya Namaskara, you have to do certain asana for the certain practice. Like for example, today Kaundinyasana, you have to follow certain asanas which I listed, from Navasana. So after Surya Namaskara, you can note down. You practice Navasana, then you practice Dandasana and Parvatasana, then practice Ashwasanjaranasana, then you practice Parshvottanasana. Then you come to Ashwasanjaranasana again. Then you follow this step. Hands inside, then slowly outside, and the legs up, lean forward, and slowly lift your back leg. Like this is a step. So after every sun salutation, for example, today you're going to do this asana. So not directly go to the asana, you can go through this different postures every day. So this is complete total practice. So once you master these individual asanas, then you can put this advanced asanas together for your practice. So first for basic you're learning, you have to do preparation practices. Then once you master this all, we do this all the advanced asana in a row. No need a preparatory postures. You can do straight to headstand. Even you can do this Kaundinyasana straight from headstand. When you master on this posture, you can do Kaundinyasana or Mayurasana or Galavasana, or you can do from headstand directly. So that is the next step, advanced level. In advanced level, you can also have category 1, 2, 3 like this. So now we got to learn, this advanced asana with the help of the preparatory postures.
So these three practices are mentioned in the PPTs that we will get, right? All the three practices.
I didn't get Lamba.
Yes, sir. I'm saying all these three practices that you are mentioning, they will be mentioned in the PPTs that we will get after the course, right, sir?
Yes.
Everything would be
Yeah. You also write down now. Okay. Then you practice today, later, or tomorrow morning.
There's some of them we remember, but not all. If it will be too much, like 15 asanas and remembering 4 to 5, so it would be like 63 practices. So if it is mentioned in the PPT, we can just refer.
Better you continue practice evening. Evening is very good time to practice advanced asana. Your body is more flexible. So you continue practice in the evening time, and you finish with the shavasana. Don't forget to do shavasana. Okay. After this asana, you must do Shavasana, lay down 5 minutes, then you complete the posture, complete the practice. Okay. Early morning, you do only sun salutation is enough, and relaxation in Shavasana. Okay, so let us wind up. So we closing today with the Shanti Mantra. If any doubts, you text me message. You practice also. You can send me the video and ask any doubt. You can clear on WhatsApp. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sughinah Sarve Santu Niramayah Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma Kaschit Dukkha Bhag Bhave. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. That's it. Thank you very much. See you tomorrow.
Monday, right?
Tomorrow is a Sunday. Tomorrow we continue Monday. So tomorrow you can take rest. Only do sun salutation early morning.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.